Welcome to my YouTube channel, MedBasic21.
Now discussion about the components of bacteria.
Essential components of bacteria: cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm and cytoplasmic membrane. Accessory components of bacteria: capsule, flagella, fimbria and spore.
Bacterium in figure.
Capsule. The capsule is the outermost layer of the cell which some bacteria possess, found only on some cocci, bacilli. It is a thick jelly-like layer secreted by cell and adheres to cell wall. It is composed of polypeptide or polysaccharide.
Functions of capsule: protects the bacterium from phagocytes and some changes of environment. Enhances bacterium's ability to produce disease. Flagella. Outgrowth of the protoplasm, protrude through the cell wall. Larger and whip-like structure, composed of proteins and found only on some bacilli, spirals. Number and location. Number single, 2, or more. Location at one end, both ends, all over cell. Function of flagella. Responsible for movement. Chemotaxis, movement toward nutrients, away from harmful chemicals.
Fimbria. These are present in some gram-negative bacteria like bacilli, E. coli, salmonella, etc., and are also called pili. Fimbrias are short hair-like structures, composed of proteins and extend from entire surface of cell. These are of two types: attachment pili, conjugation or sex pili.
Function of fimbria. Fimbria or pili act as an organ of adhesion. Attachment pili enable the cells to colonize and enhance the bacteria's ability to cause disease. Sex pili play an important role in genetic transfer.
Spore. Spore is a resting state of bacterial cell highly resistant to environmental conditions like heat, drying, lack of nutrients, chemicals, radiation. It remains viable but dormant after vegetative cell dies. When bacteria return to favorable condition, it germinates to produce a cell identical to the parent cell. Function of spore. Survival.
Thanks for watching. Stay with us.
Thanks for watching. You can subscribe us.